So let's go to our Kiali instance. The experimental support for Multicluster is available from Kiali version 1.69. We can see that we are in the East cluster, and this is the overview page where all the namespace cards with permissions are available. In the multi-cluster view, we will have a new badge that shows the cluster name identified with a C in blue. The control plane of our primary cluster has 8 applications. In the case of the West cluster, we only have 2. One of each one is Prometheus in order to collect the telemetry. Alpha Beta namespace belongs to the error rates demo and have been identified in distribute clusters with the D option from the demo scripts. Alpha is installed in the East cluster and Beta in the West cluster. From this single Kiali instance, we are able to see the namespaces from the local and the remote cluster, the information of the applications installed, also the health. In this beta, for example, we have some failures for 3 of the applications, and also the metrics. In the case of the Istio configurations, we will see a not applicable field as the validations are not available in remote clusters, because this is part of the functionality available with Istio-D. Besides, we cannot see the validations. It is possible to check the Istio configurations when the CRDs are installed in the remote cluster. It is also possible to check whether MTLS is available or is enabled in namespaces from remote clusters, and also get the namespace label for the remotes. Another demo application that we have installed is BookInfo. In this case, the applications are split between East and West cluster. That's why we see 2 different namespace cards for BookInfo. One is for each cluster. The validations are available from the East cluster. And here we have the traffic generator application, the product page, and also the details. In the West namespace, we have the ratings application. And from here, we can jump to the graph view.